Hi guys, so kagagaling lang natin ng NCBRT, which is nabagsak yung ating van, Citroën Nemo van. Nabagsak in few things like front shock, top mount bearing. Nagsis itong top mount bearing yan, no? On both sides. Naramdaman ko na talaga ito beforehand, but I just want to confirm doon sa sa NCT. So inintay ko na lang na yung resulta ng NCT, and then yun nga, nabagsak. Tama yung hinala ko na merong tama itong yung kanyang top mount bearing sis, dahil pagka nagtuturn left or right, makarinig ka ng clangking noise, no? If you turn the steering wheel to the left or turn right, you will hear clangking noise. When you hear clangking noise, that sounds like that is the sounds of the top mount bearing sis, or sometimes also it causes the clunking noise with a spring, a broken spring. It also make a noise, clunking noise, when the spring is broken, and the top mount also bearing sis. You will hear the clunking noise because it will not move. It will not move freely, no? The spring. So the front spring, it will not move freely. That's why it's getting sounds like. Yan, naririnig niyo? Yan po ang tunog ng top mount bearing sis. And then the same scenario also pagka if the what it is, front spring of the shock absorber broken, you will hear also these sounds like, see that? So when you turn the steering front, left or right, you will hear the noise. And when you hear that noise, you will think about spring, front spring might be broken, either driver side or passenger side. And then another thing to consider is the top mount bearing on its side also. Again, this is the sounds of broken spring or bearing, top mount bearing sis. So we go now and then buy a parts. You have to order the parts, and then I will show you on how to do these things. And then another thing is a few things also is the the dip light or the running light. Alam ko na merong tama yung nito, yung mga running lights, kasi nagsisignal doon sa dashboard, at then sometimes tinaman tayo, no? So we're just waiting for the in-city result, and then we will do the whole lot. And again, this is Citroën Nemo compact van ito guys, compact van. Ito yung working horse natin. And then sa ngayon hindi muna tayo makapag lakwatsa like doing servicing on the other cars, because we need to make our van pass the in-city before we go out. Like before we do some other cars, I need to do my own first, because I have to really, because I need to provide time for my van to fix as well, no? So it is very priority that before we go out serving others, we need to serve our very own working horse, like the van transport, no? This is daily driven van, so we need to take good care of it. And one thing I worried as well is the emission, no? But it passed the emission, guys. This van passed the emission, even though even though I'm like it's a little bit like, you know, but when I push the throttle to the max into the highway, and like the carbon pull away, like all the smokes are gone and the emissions are good. It's not smoky now. So this is what you do, guys, when you feel like your engine is kind of smoky. What you're going to do is you have to drive the car. When you drive the car, put on the third gear, all the way down to the M50, make 100 km/h, third gear, and then down the throttle to the floor, third gear, until you will not see the smoke anymore. So that is what I've done before the in-city or NCBRT, and by the luck, we have the luck, we passed the emission. I will show you the emission. It is very far away from here, but I think you can see it. Moment. So I will show you.